Because of this project, I'm inspired to revisit my childhood HDB flat to see what has changed. Just yesterday, I drove to the housing estate and was impressed to see that the flat and its surroundings have been upgraded to become more conducive, more greeneries and cleaner. I took some photographs and even shared it with my siblings and my childhood friends, whom we are still in touch with. Everybody had a good time recalling the place where we lived for about 10 years of my childhood before we moved to a newer housing estate.